Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. So I'm here at Expo City, Dubai for the Festival of Cake which is happening for the very first time here in UAE. So ये basically US UK का culture था जो first time UAE में हो रहा है in 2025. So हम Festival of Cake में आए हैं to try different cakes from renowned Michelin star chefs, bakers from all over the country. And I'm super excited to be here to try and to show all of you कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या अमेजिंग चीज़ें मिलने वाली हैं आज हम भी फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं एंड लेट्स सी आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड लेट्स गो एंड हैव सम अमेजिंग केक्स लेट्स गो. Okay, so we are here. We have to go all the way to Union, then we have to change the metro, take red line, and then directly go down to Expo 2020. This is metro station.
المحطة القادمة هي صلاح الدين. الأبواب سوف تفتح من جهة اليمين. The next station is Salah al-Din. Doors will open on the right-hand side.
इसके बाद वाले में उतरेंगे. कैसा लग रहा है मेट्रो? बहुत अच्छा. और टाइम बाद वेट करना है. कितने टाइम बाद? ऑलमोस्ट आफ्टर 2 years or maybe 3 years. Maybe 4 years. Okay, so we have to change our line and now go and take Expo 2020 wali metro. So it's platform number 2 again. So we're just going. Crowd, oh my god, crowd. Not less than Rajiv Chowk crowd. Okay, so our metro is coming in 2 minutes. All aligned. Waiting.
The next station is World Trade Center. المحطة القادمة. The next station is Emirates Towers. The final destination of this train is
Expo
Expo
2020.
2020. The next station is
Burj
Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall.
Yay! यहाँ पे आपको एक भी बिल्डिंग सेम नहीं दिखेगी. ये व्यू था हमारे ऑफिस से.
The next station is Al Forjan.
So this is Dubai Metro. Luckily अब सब खाली हो गया है because अब हम पहुँचने वाले हैं दुबई एक्सपो. So yay, it's fun.
Sophia.
Let's go guys, we have reached.
Your attention please. This train terminates at the next station. All passengers must leave the train at the station. Please take all your belongings with you when leaving the train.
Finally we have reached to the Expo metro station. This is the new metro station which was built during Expo 2020. It's very, very pretty. Bye bye. This is ramp. बहुत pretty लग रहा है. Mama. It is quite slippery, but it's nice. Mama, slippery है ना? थोड़ा सा. This is the station. It's so pretty. We have our Knoll card. Thank you. Oh, we are finally here. Expo City, Dubai. Let's go. This is the station. OMG. So pretty. Let's go. Wow, it's so pretty. And we have little moon over here. Okay, so here we are, guys. Festival of Cake. These are the flags. बहुत सारी countries का. India का कहाँ है? Let's find India. I can see India flag. There it is. Okay, let me show you. Here. Jai Mata Di. Let's go. There's the moon, pretty little moon. Our flag. It's Expo City. Let's go. Okay, here we are finally. Let's go. Festival of Cake. It's amazing. So we are entering. Oh wow.
Nice. Unfortunately, yesterday we were here all day, so we didn't do
There's some event going on. We'll go.
Hello, lady.
This is such a beautiful lady.
Another panel discussion just in the back of the house, so as soon as we're done,
Got bands.
when you go there. And I know it's a big album, and it's not big
We have stalls जहाँ पे अलग अलग केक हैं from अलग अलग countries. Here's some cute game. We have variety of cakes.
They actually bake what you share and they twist it and then they push it.
This is so pretty. Just a scoop. Cute, bouncy. So this is Sugar Rush bar और हमें all around 4 Sugar Rush कार्ड दिखेंगे जहाँ पे हमें guess करना होगा. Okay, this is so good. Oh my god. हम कहाँ पे? You are here. We have to go. We started from here. मतलब हमने half of the area cover कर लिया है. This one we have covered. Now just half more. Let's go. Found another Sugar Rush bake. Is this only for kids? Only for kids? If you want, you can try now. Let's go. हम भी अगर बच्चे होते हम भी कर लेते। अरे अरे we'll be taking autographs of Chef Noel Caris now. Hey Chef Noel, let's go.
We have to tell you something. There are a lot of people who have just joined us here in the Al Wasl Dome. In about 5 minutes' time, we will give one of you a brand new iPad.
Oh.
Yes. Well, I saw this little girl's face. Would you like a new iPad? You would. Okay. I am going to make you work for it though.
This is the structure.
नहीं, ये साइन लैंग्वेज है।
This is last Sugar Rush cart. Let's go and let's get it stamped. This is some leisure show which is happening. So we are now here waiting for the dough show to start. So I'll show you. It's so pretty. We are having so much fun trying so many cakes and it's yum. Let's see. Let me show you the dough show. Oh, cake बन गया है। Sugar.
Now we put it in the oven, 15 minutes at 15 minutes at 170, but I don't know to wait. I have it ready here. Later on you write in the cake. Thank you. Let's see.
Okay guys, so we are going to Surreal. Let me show you what it is. It's a saying कि अगर आप एक्सपो सिटी आए हो एंड सरियल नहीं गए तो फिर क्या खाक एक्सपो सिटी आए हो. So let's go and let me show you Surreal. Mama, lights are off. I told you lights off हैं, क्या दिखेगा. Okay, so basically it's a waterfall. यहाँ जो ब्लैक एरिया है यहाँ पे वाटरफॉल होता है, बट अभी अंधेरा हो गया सो आई गेस लाइट्स भी ऑफ हो गई हैं. ओह नो, लिटिल बिट यू कैन सी यहाँ पे वाटरफॉल है. सो प्रिटी बट लाइट्स ऑफ हो गई हैं तो नहीं दिख रहा है. लाइट्स ऑफ नहीं, अंधेरा हो गया इससे नहीं दिख रहा है. This is from my mom's camera. तो हमें बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. वी आर लिटरली इंजॉइंग सो मच हियर. अभी एक स्पेशल शो होने वाला है एट 7:20 जिसमें रिच मायर्स शेफ हमारे सामने 24 लेयर केक बनाने वाले हैं, जो कि उनका बहुत वायरल हुआ था. एंड देन वी गोना ट्राई द सैम्पल एंड ही इज़ गोना कट इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस एंड देन गिव इट टू अस. तो बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है देखने में. सो आई शो यू, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. And we're having lots of fun. So this is happening for the very first time in UAE, and I believe अभी हर साल होने वाला है. So if you are in Dubai, do visit Festival of Cake. ये 5 days लगता है. So 28th of November से it's up to 2nd of December. So you guys can come visit, and the entry price is also very affordable, so it's really very good. You should definitely come with your family, and if you have little kids, then it's a plus point because we have so many activities here. So it's amazing. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Me and my mom are having so much fun. And यहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट्स भी हैं, तो खाना भी आप अच्छे से खा सकते हैं. If you are an Indian, तो यहाँ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट भी है. So it's Gupshup Indian Restaurant, तो आप यहाँ पे आराम से खा भी सकते हैं. And it's gonna like make you feel like home. It's so cozy, so cute. And यहाँ का थीम भी पर्पल एंड पिंक है, and मैंने पहना भी पर्पल है. So it's really very nice. So I'll show you. Let's go inside and stay tuned. Mama, you enjoying?
Very much.
बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है. यहाँ पे लाइट अच्छी है. तो यहाँ पे यूएई नेशनल डे सेलिब्रेशन चल रहा है, जो कि मंडे को है, 1 दिसंबर. तो इसलिए यहाँ हर जगह नेशनल फ्लैग्स एंड इवेंट्स ऑल ओवर यूएई कहीं ना कहीं हो ही जा रहे हैं. सो इट्स वन ऑफ द इवेंट एंड जस्ट फन. कम. Gems. Yeah. Anything?
You want something?
Gems. Gems, okay.
You want one more?
No, they ate one before.
What you want? Chocolate?
Dark chocolate. Yeah, dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Oh.
Because you waited for
Oh. And this one was? This one I must say, right?
One kunafa?
No, not kunafa.
And chocolate sauce.
Chocolate.
What's up?
What do you call that? Cake sauce. Cake sauce.
Kumain na sila?
You mash.
kanina yung sisters. Saan ka ba rin?
Dito.
Ay, oh, wait. Wait.
Hello?
Thank
Careful.
you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, tasting time. Yummy. So we are here waiting for Chef Rich Myers because his show will start at 7:25. 24 layer special most viral cake हमारे सामने here. It's gonna be super fun to watch. We are at the front row. We are waiting. We are here waiting for the chef to come. I'm excited. Let's see.
2,000 years later.
बहुत लेट हो गया, हम तो वेट करे जा रहे हैं बस. We are hungry. We are waiting. Rich Myers.
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, hello, good evening. How are we all doing?
Great.
Yes, the microphone is loud and proud. Is everybody well?
Yay!
You are very quiet. Who would like some cake?
Woo!
I thought that might really work for you. Well, listen, just to let you know that we have the legend that is Rich Myers coming on stage very soon, and we are going to make you a cake and a half with 24 layers, lots of chocolate, lots of sponge, and the star of Get Baked. So he'll be on stage. Get Baked.
Woo!
Oh, he's waving with his poly hands. Hey, Rich, how are you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Think away.
Particularly large chocolate cake called Bertha. It was called Bruce, and now she's called Bertha. She's 24 layers of chocolate.
Hey guys, so good news is मैंने अभी Rich Myers के साथ on stage live केक बेक किया. मतलब you know मैं इतनी excited हूँ, मैं ढंग से बता भी नहीं पा रही. So आप वीडियो देखो what I did, and he is one of the chefs that I loved, admired. उसका 24 layer cake, and उसमें से 12 layers मैंने खुद बनाए हैं. So just see and go and check it out.
We're going to find someone in the crowd
Okay.
who wants to build the cake.
It's obviously Rich Bias, yeah, okay. Of course. Rich, Tanya, meet Tanya.
Nice to meet you.
I'm just going to get you another microphone. Can we get another microphone, spare microphone for Tanya?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Well, yeah, you'll be doing it. I'll be watching. I'll tell you how to do it, but you'll be doing it. You build cakes? Okay. You'll be alright.
Can I ask you just to, actually I'll hold this microphone in a minute, but I'll let you talk to Rich as well.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just portion the ganache into 12. So I'll do this. It doesn't need to be exact. 12 layers of cake, and we just pass me that. The 12 layers of cake and 12 layers of ganache. Okay?
So have you seen all of this? This is going to be one big cake, right?
So we're just going to, are we doing no gloves? We don't need gloves to it.
No, when we find you, carry on.
So we're going to put the first one on, and then you're going to use either this or this, whichever you prefer. With the ganache on. Okay, so have you iced the cake before? Enjoy.
That's good. So Rich, what's the technique that Tanya's doing? I mean, what is it spread lots of it on? Is it kind
So
of...
you want to kind of, I'll show you what I would do. So you want to kind of back and forth, and that'll kind of move it around the cake. And then if you just hold it straight and let the turntable do the work, yeah. I make it look a bit easy, but I'm not that good.
You've done it once or twice though, Rich.
I've done it a few times, but
Right, so we obviously are running a little bit behind, so we're going to make sure that we speed through these layers, Rich, and make sure that we get these nice and built up.
And then we'll do the next one. Yeah, there's a lot of chocolate. There's about 10 kilos worth of cake here.
So one of these cakes is going to weigh around about 10 kilos in weight. So what made you come up with the idea of the Big Bertha? How did it go so crazy for you? And now it's a huge business to you, Rich.
People love chocolate cake, and I just wanted to do a cake that was big, chocolatey, kind of, didn't want to over-decorate it.
What's going on over here?
Well, we're having a bit of technical difficulty a little bit. That's okay. I'll put another layer on. So I'm going to straighten that a little bit.
Let the expert take over there.
Well,
So what about the temperature of the chocolate?
Temperatures and the texture of what you're using. There you go.
Now, just to let you know, if you want to try some of this cake, we're going to put it on the brew stage. So outside of the main stage here, just so everybody can get a piece. So of course you'll get a bit of cake. Thank you very much, my lovely. Round of applause for Tanya. Now, Rich, we're going to get this delivered round to the brew stage. Don't run off.
I hope you enjoyed. It was such an experience. Look, we are at Gupshup for our dinner. So let's go inside and let's taste it. We are here ordering. Let's see what we'll have. Okay, so this is our dinner. Naan, paneer, biryani rice, lacha. Tasting time. Let's taste. Finally done with such a yummy dinner. It was so yum, बहुत मज़ा आया. And I still can't believe that I was the lucky one to be chosen to make 12 layers cake. वैसे वो 24 layer का था, but time constraints की वजह से 12 ही layers बनाए. अब वो मैंने बनाए. अब let's see if I get a chance to eat that. ये बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. So let's go.
Careful, say careful, man. Okay. Nice slide. Come on, Zach! Come on, Zach!
Don't drop it.
Hey! Well done, Zachary. That was fantastic. What an absolute master.
This is the cake. It requires 24 layers. Let's taste it.
It's room temperature, it's not ready.
Yum. I'm so glad I made one. Happy birthday
to Zach. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey, babe.
Hooray! Cake. You don't have a choco chip.
Chocolate?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Do you have choco chip?
I have only Oreo fry.
Okay. Done?
Yeah, it's good. Chocolate cake, chocolate chip cookie, and whipped cream and chocolate sauce.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Once I started writing cookbooks, the very first restaurant cookbook we did, decorating and some time with family too. No, we love it. It's a different part of your brain you use when you're cooking for family. So.
This is the sitting arrangement, guys, after the event. Seat, stage, dome. Time to go back home. Hey guys, so finally the day is off. We had such an amazing day at the Festival of Cake, only at Dubai Expo City. I thoroughly enjoyed. बहुत मज़ा आया आपको. For sure आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. So now we are heading back home. We have called taxi. Let's go back home. Fully tired. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Do like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Guys.